Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start right away by stripping compromised seasoning and surface rust so the metal underneath is clean. Use steel will aggressively where flaky rust exists, and for entrenched pits, soak only the affected area in white vinegar for about 1-2 hours, then scrub. Once rinsed and patted dry, heat the wok briefly on the burner to drive off any moisture. Make sure the surface is warm before you apply your first thin coat of oil to prevent splotches. Now you're building the actual protective layer. This is where technique matters. Put a very thin coat of high smoke oil across the entire interior. Too much oil makes sticky patches, so wipe off excess with a paper towel. Heat the wok until the oil reaches its smoking point and begins to polymerize. You'll see color change and a faint smoke. Once cooled a bit, repeat the thin oil, heat, and harden cycle 4 to 6 times so the black patina becomes even and durable. Finish by cooling the wok and wiping a final whisper of oil over the surface. This protects against flash rust while stored. For everyday use, clean with hot water and a soft brush. Avoid harsh detergent, and always dry and oil lightly after use so the patina improves with each cook. If you ever get sticky or uneven patches, strip to bare metal just where needed and redo thin, controlled seasoning layers. That targeted reset fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.